Hello students, welcome to maths class. Students, in chapter triangles, we have already done topic introduction of triangle, classification of triangles and find unknown angle of a triangle without figure. Today, I will discuss with you how to find unknown angle of a triangle with figure. To understand this topic, let's take some examples. Example number 1. Find the missing angle of the following triangle. Now students, in this type of sums, figure will be given to you and you have to find out the missing angle. Now see, in this triangle, angle P is given 40 degree, angle R is given 60 degree and angle Q is not given. Here question mark is given. That means we have to find out the value of angle Q. So, while doing the solution of these type of sums, very first step is make the figure. So, on the right side of your copy, you will make figure. Angle P is equals to 40 degree, angle R is equals to 60 degree, angle Q is equals to question mark. Now, let's start with solution. In solution, we will write in a triangle PQR. Students, here naming is already given, P, Q and R. That's why we will write here in a triangle PQR. Now, what is given in the triangle? In a triangle, angle P is equals to 40 degree. So, write here angle P is equals to 40 degree. Angle Q is not given, angle Q is question mark. That means angle Q is equals to question mark and we have to find out this angle. Angle R is equals to 60 degree. Angle R is equals to 60 degree. Now students, tell me what is the next step? Yes, we will write the angle sum property. And what is the angle sum property? Yes, sum of three angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. Very good. Now students, tell me which three angles are given? Yes, angle P, angle Q and angle R. So write down angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equals to 180 degree. Now let's write down the values of angle P, angle Q and angle R. What is the value of angle P? Angle P is equals to 40 degree. So below angle P write down 40 degree. Under plus sign will come. What is the value of angle Q? Angle Q is not given. That means what I will write below angle Q? Yes, angle Q. So below angle Q write down angle Q. Under plus sign will come. What is the value of angle R? Angle R is equals to 60 degree. So below angle R write down 60 degree. Under equals to sign write down equals to sign. Below 180 degree write down 180 degree. Now students, just recall what is the next step? Yes, do addition. Now do addition. 40 plus 60 is equals to 100. So next step will be angle Q plus 100 degree is equals to 180 degree. And tell me the next step. Just think, what is the next step? Yes, do minus. So in the next step, we will subtract this 100 from 180 degree. So 100 degree will shift towards the right hand side, and when 100 degree will shift towards the right hand side, plus will change into minus. So next step will be angle Q equals to 180 degree, plus will change into minus 100 degree. Now do minus. 180 minus 100 is equals to, yes, 80 degrees. So angle Q is equals to 80 degree. Let's take one more example. Find the missing angle of the following triangle. Now students, see, triangle is given, but in this triangle naming is not given. So while doing solution, first step is draw figure and second step is give naming. Let's suppose this is X, this is Y, this is Z. So we will write here in a triangle XYZ, because I have given naming X, Y and Z. So in a triangle XYZ, angle X is equals to 30 degrees. So right here angle X is equals to 30 degree. Angle Y is equals to 80 degree. So angle Y is equals to 80 degree. Angle Z is equals to question mark. That means we have to find out this angle. Angle Z we have to find out. So right here angle Z is equals to question mark. Now what is the next step? Yes, write down the angle sum property. And what is the angle sum property? Sum of three angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. Yes, so let's write down sum of three angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. Now students, which three angles given? See, angle X, angle Y, angle Z. So what I will write below angle sum property? Yes, angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z equals to 180 degree. Now what is the value of angle X? Angle X is equals to 30 degree. So below angle X write down 30 degree. What is the value of angle Y? Angle Y is equals to 80 degrees. So below angle Y write down 80 degree. And what is the value of angle Z? Angle Z is question mark. We have to find out. So below angle Z you will write angle Z equals to 180 degree. And in between the numbers you will write plus sign, because under plus sign you will write plus sign, under plus sign you will write plus sign. Now what is the next step? Yes, next step is do addition. Now 30 degree plus 80 degree is equals to 110. So below these two numbers write down 110 degree plus angle Z is equals to 180 degree. Now what is the next step? Yes, shift 110 towards the right hand side, and when 110 will shift towards the right hand side, plus will change into minus. So very good. So next step will be angle Z is equals to 180 degree, plus will change into minus 110 degree. So angle Z is equals to 180 degree minus 110 degree. Now do minus. 180 degree minus 110 is equals to, yes, 70 degree. So angle Z is equals to 70 degree. So students, today we have learned how to find missing angle of a triangle with figure. I hope now you are able to do the related homework that we have sent to you in your SNAP homework But students, before starting the homework, please go through the YouTube links that are mentioned in your SNAP homework. Have a nice day. Thank you.